Welcome back to the workshop. When I recovered my dining room chair recently, I've discovered a structural manufacturing fault that needs to be corrected. When this chair was made, this support strut was cut too short. One side was glued correctly, however the other side is just hanging loose. My best guess is that as this was short, it was glued and the whole thing was clamped together really tightly. And after a while, the pressure of the wood trying to return to its natural position has just pulled the whole thing apart. The reason I think that is because there's a split in the wood just here. So I think the pressure has pushed in and it's split the wood. This piece is important because it adds structural integrity. And also screws come through the bottom of here and they screw into the base of the main seat, holding it together. Every time somebody sits on here, there's a bit of movement and the whole thing creaks. The correct way to fix this would probably be by removing this piece altogether, making a new one and slotting it in and re-gluing the whole thing. That could prove to be quite expensive. On the other hand, if you've got the right machinery, it's perfectly doable to make a new piece, but it'd be quite time consuming. I've been giving this some thought and think I can do a really good repair on this that will last a lifetime. I've got a scrap piece of ply that's the right width to fit in that groove. Let's do this. Welcome to another day. Before I finished last night, I put some more glue on there just to give me a bit more peace of mind and added security. Let's see how we've done. It all feels solid enough. Now I know you professionals out there, your chippies and your furniture restorers, you're probably going to look at this and go, "Cool, that's a bit of a bodge, mate. You want to do it like this, not like that." Well, that's fine. You're entitled to your opinions. I make content that's aimed at your DIYers, your weekend warriors, your blokes at home who've got jobs to do, things to repair. They're on a limited budget. There's nothing wrong with that. So if you're watching this video and you wanted to solve a problem and I've helped you to do it, then this video would have been worthwhile. There we go. Solid as a rock. Beautiful job. No more weak squeaky chair. Catch you later.